Hey boys, what are you doing today?
We are taking off parts from a Pit Cruiser.
Is this your tools?
Yes.
Cool. You guys are doing a good job. So you're doing some teamwork, huh?
That's right.
And you do have plenty of tools here. I'll give you some more. I'll have to look through my tools and I'll give you some of my tools. I have a lot of doubles. Here. Is that the right one, Jason? I think you need a smaller one. But don't remove that, Jason, because the hood will drop. That's holding the hood up.
Come on.
Don't worry. Here's the lid. You could just pick them up there. Well, I actually have a magnetic tray. I'll give you a magnetic one. That one doesn't have a magnet.
Dad, could you bring a magnet right here? I want to find out if there's something dropped on here.
It's okay if you lost some.
But I'm gonna put this back on. But it's okay.
Oh, you wanna put it back on too? You could do whatever you want. You could remove tools, parts, and you could put the parts back. Whatever you want to do, you could do it. Kevin and Jason, I want to give you a surprise. So I gave you some tools today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
Okay, guess what? Look at me. I have another big surprise.
What?
I give you this car. This is your car now. You and Jason, this is your car. You could do whatever you want with it. You could remove parts, you could sell parts, you could make money. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Do you know how much this car cost? I paid $1,300 for this car. That's a lot of money. Do you know how much money here is in parts?
Wait, Dad, I think I could earn that much.
You could make more money from this car than $1,300.
You could sell sprinters. Sprinters cost. You could it costs a lot of money, and even a box truck costs even
Yes. Well, guess what? Any parts that you remove, I'm gonna list them on eBay, and if they sell, I will give you the money. You'll split it between you and Jason. How does that sound?
more. Yeah.
You like that? Do you know what year this PT Cruiser is? It's a 2003 PT Cruiser. Limited edition. So there's a lot of good parts on here. Because it's never been into a car accident. Never been into a car accident. So you have a lot of good parts.
Right over there.
That's because somebody, like a tree fell on it or something. So there's a little damage on the fender, but that's all. That's just the one fender that's damaged. Everything else is good. You have everything here.
We're not gonna sell that part.
So you have lots of parts that you could list. So are you looking for the correct bolt? Let's see. Let's see which one is correct. So these are too big. One for removing that. So this is tightening, so you have to twist it. This is for loosening. Okay, yeah, no, not like this. Okay, pull on it. Pull very hard. That's right.
This must be
Exactly.
right here. Oh man.
Kevin, you know, you could also record your own videos here with your GoPro.
Dad, I don't hear it.
You don't hear it? That's because it's become loose. Now you have to spin it. Okay, okay, basically look, if when you don't hear it, you just twist it and then remove it, twist it again, and just keep doing it until the bolt comes out. So now every day, when you come back from school, you could make money removing parts from PT Cruiser. And then whatever you remove, bring the part to me. I will put it on eBay. And when it sells, you get to keep the money.
I want to sell this grill.
Okay?
We have to wash it first.
Yeah, you first have to wash it. You want to make sure it's a really clean part. So we could sell this grill. We could put it on eBay today. Okay?
Yeah.
So just make sure you take care of parts. If you wash it and make it look nice, we could sell it today. We could list it on eBay, but it might not sell today. But whatever you remove, I think lights will sell, but we'll have to clean them really good.
Yes,
in order to remove the lights, we have to remove fenders. But you can learn a lot from removing parts from a PT Cruiser. This is your own test vehicle. This is like going to college to learn how to work on cars.
Dad, this would be our car, and then we're gonna give it to you, and we're gonna fix it.
You want to fix it?
Yeah. But if we're gonna fix this, this is gonna be our car. We're gonna make it, whatever. We're gonna make it.
You could do whatever you want with it. If you want to fix it, you could fix it. But I think selling parts is going to be better because when you sell some parts and save money, we'll buy you a better car at the auction.
Dad, this one works a little bad though.
Maybe it needs oil. It needs some oil here. WD-40.
Do you have one of this?
WD-40?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. I have some.
All right. So, that's enough. I guess.
Enough? Is it good? No, let me do it some more. So we have to make it just a little bit more tighter. Let me see. Okay. Okay. See, this is going to be now tight. No, I'm just testing it. I'm just testing it. Here, Kevin, you could do that. Oh, you're doing it good.
That's my side.
You guys could, there's same fenders on both sides. You could work whatever you want. So that you're tightening it, Sanok. You're tightening it. No, Kevin, you're making it tighter. You have to pull it this way, counterclockwise. So, no. Let's see, like this. Okay, it looks like it has became a little bit smaller. So Kevin, pull this towards you. Just watch your fingers. That way you don't get cut. Okay. It's really easy to damage your fingers doing it. Is it spinning?
No.
Okay, let me give you a better one.
Dad, look, I took it down.
You took that out. Amazing. You could actually throw that in the box. Just throw it in the toolbox, all the bolts.
This does not work.
It's damaged?
Yes, this is damaged.
Okay, so try a different one. Oh, that one's working. So Jason, you removed that bolt.
Yeah.
This is holding a strut system or a spring.
That's what you have to do.
Uh-huh.
I think I have to do something.
Okay. You're doing it, Jason. Good job.
Wait, I need that.
Kevin, you also have same thing on this side. If you want to take those apart, you can.
I'm missing one tool. It's from Jason's tool. Jason has my tool that I need.
I could give you the same size. Yeah, you did. Let me see, Jason, what size you have.
But Dad,
Jason,
look at this one. It's huge.
you have a half here. So, Jason, you're removing a lot of bolts.
Yeah. I can't remove that.
I think we're gonna need to move this tree out of the way, and you could sneak behind there, and you could remove it. Hold on. Let me do it for you. Doing a good job.
Here, Kevin.
Jason, this is same. The same as that.
Oh, shoot.
Up here.
Here. You have to press the center button, then it inserts.
I feel small.
Here, I'll take you, Jason.
I think I need that one too.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on the table.
Look.
You're strong.
That one's the easy one.
It is?
Yes.
You boys are doing a really good job. Jason, how old are you?
5.
You're 5 years old?
I think there's a available answer out because this is something that
And you're already working on the car, huh? What about you, Kevin? How old are you?
I'm 8. Older than my brother.
So you're working on the car as well. Do you like to do this kind of job?
That's my
Oh,
own
I
job.
took it down.
You took it out. Yes.
You have to take this off.
Mm-hmm. It's your car. You could do whatever you want with it. Just don't break it with a hammer. That would be stupid. Make money with it. I could help you.
Look at that big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. That's for big parts.
Yeah, that's what I have.
So you're trying to see which one's going to work for that one. Jason, you can take it out. You need this. Here,
Dad, but
use that on that tool.
But Dad, I don't know how.
You know, press the button.
It's so hard.
It's okay, look. Here, press the button on it.
Dad, which one this for?
This, let's see what kind it is. So that's that's too small. This is too big. This is too big. Serge, Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.